Dear students, in this class we shall discuss about the Higher Learning Technique Symposium. Myself, Dr. J.S. Patanshetty, Assistant Professor, BLDE Associations, JSS College of Education, Vijayapura. Symposium. Let us see the introduction. Symposium technique is one of the techniques of higher learning. The purpose of higher learning is to develop the abilities of criticism, appreciation, to respect the ideas and feelings of others, to present own ideas and seek clarifications. It is an instructional technique which is used to achieve higher cognitive and affective objectives. Let us see the meaning of the term symposium. The word symposium has several dictionary meanings. It has several dictionary meanings. It means good dialogue. According to Plato, it is a good dialogue to present the views towards God. It is the intellectual recreation or intellectual enjoyment. It is a meeting of persons to discuss a problem or a theme. Let us see the definition given by what is the exact meaning of symposium. Let us see. Symposium technique or forum serves as an excellent device for informing an audience, crystallizing opinion, and general preparing the listeners for arriving at decision, policies, values, judgment, or understanding. In the words of Struck says the meaning of symposium as we think of a symposium as a large group of comments, either spoken or written, which portrays contrasting or at least different points of view. The chief purpose of the symposium is to seek or to clarify thought upon controversial questions. It is the definition given by Struck. It is the platform of the symposium. You can see in the vision. Visual form you can see. It is the platform of the symposium. Symposium is a method of group discussion in which two or more persons under the direction of a chairman present separate speeches which gives several aspects of one question. Several aspects of one question. Next, a symposium is a series of speeches on a selected subject. On a particular subject, the speeches will be in a series form. Each person or expert or a experienced person presents an aspect of the subject briefly. There is no discussion among the symposium members. In the end, audience may raise questions and contribute to the symposium. The chairman makes comprehensive summary at the end of the entire session. Used as a teaching method, the group may consist of experts in the subject and selected students, each of whom has prepared their particular assignment in advance. This is alternative to the lecture mentioned for presentation of the new method. What are the objectives of symposium? Let us see one by one. To identify and understand two various aspects of the theme and problems. To develop the ability to decision and judgment regards a problem. To develop the values and feelings regarding a problem. To enable the listeners to form policies regarding a theme or a problem. These are the objectives of symposium. Let us see the characteristics of symposium technique. It provides the broad understanding of a topic or a problem for which we have organized the symposium. The opportunity is provided to the listeners to take decision about the problem. It is used for higher classes to specific themes and problems. This symposium technique develops the feeling of cooperation and adjustment. The objectives as synthesis and evaluation are achieved by employing the symposium technique. It provides the different views on the topic of the symposium. All these are the characteristics of a symposium. Let us see how the symposium technique is having the mechanism. The symposium is a type of discussion in which two or more speakers talk from 10 to 20 minutes, develop individual approaches or solutions to a problem or a present aspects of policy, process or program. Here, the speeches are followed by questions or comments from the audience, as in the panel forum. Panel forum we shall see in the next session. The speeches may be persuasive, argumentative, informative or evocative. Each speech proceeds without any interruption. The chairman of the symposium introduces the topic, suggests something of its importance, sometimes indicates general approaches. Since there is no need for symposium interaction other than careful listening, all members of the performing group can sit in a straight line behind a table or an adjoining chairs with the chairman in the middle or to one side of the speakers, like this type. They can sit. All the speakers can sit in this manner. See properly how they have sat. If the symposium is to present two conflicting issues or points of view, at that time the seating arrangement can separate the speakers on the platform in order to indicate difference in opinion or in order to preserve the peace. What are the precautions that should be taken for the symposium? There are three conditions in the use of symposium technique. Firstly, the moderator should be sure to prepare the speakers or see that they are prepared. They should know the rules of procedure, sequence of speaking, and way in which the forum will be conducted. And they should be aware of the ideas and background of other performers. Secondly, the chairman is responsible for preparing the agendas, should not attempt to stack the cards by omitting or ignoring vital phases of the problem as he selects or delegates his speakers. It is not good to face up to an inadvertent misinterpretation or omission. Third precaution is that the chairman in the forum situations must plan very carefully for the questioning period that follows the prepared speeches unless he wishes to risk boredom. The scope for the use of symposium. The symposium can be arranged on the main topics like use of television for education, scope of distance education in our education, use of essay and objective type tests, semester system in education, what are its benefits and what are its disadvantages, causes of students' unrest, quality control of educational research, use of micro teaching in teacher education, use of team teaching in the schools, use of action research in classroom teaching, and educational technology.